Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm your host, Hani, and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. If you're someone who struggles with thinking in English, then this episode is just for you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever found yourself translating every word in your head before speaking? It really slows you down, doesn't it? You're not alone. Many English learners face this same issue. They think in their native language first, then try to translate into English. But by the time they're ready to speak, the moment has already passed. But don't worry. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to train your brain to think directly in English, just like a native speaker. And trust me, once you start thinking in English, everything becomes easier. Speaking, listening, even writing. So if you've ever wondered how to stop translating and start thinking in English naturally, stay with me because I've got some powerful techniques to share. Let's dive right in. Why thinking in English matters. So why is thinking in English so important for learners? Here's the thing. If you always think in your native language first and then translate, you'll never be able to speak fluently. It creates a delay. Your brain is working twice as hard, first forming a sentence in your native language, then trying to find the right English words. And let's be honest, sometimes the translation doesn't even make sense. A good example? Someone trying to say, I am cold, might end up saying, I have cold, which sounds strange in English. Thinking in English trains your brain to form sentences the way native speakers do, without getting stuck on translation. And guess what? It also boosts your confidence. When you start thinking in English, words come to you faster. No more long pauses while trying to translate in your head. It also improves your listening skills. When you think in English, your brain processes conversations more quickly. You'll understand people better in conversations, movies, songs, you name it. And thinking in English even helps your pronunciation. You start hearing the sounds in your head the way native speakers say them. And that helps you speak more clearly. Let me summarize. Thinking in English helps you speak faster, improves listening, builds confidence, and makes your pronunciation better. Pretty amazing, right? Now, you might be wondering, okay, Jason, I get why it's important, but how do I actually do it? Let's break it down. Common mistakes that block you. Before we get into how to train your brain, let's talk about a few common mistakes that might be stopping you. Mistake 1. Relying too much on translation. If you always translate in your head before speaking, your brain never gets used to thinking in English directly. It's like riding a bike with training wheels forever. You need to trust yourself. Mistake 2. Overthinking grammar. Many learners try to make every sentence perfect in their head before speaking, but that slows you down. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. It's okay to sound natural, not perfect. Mistake 3. Fear of making mistakes. Some people are so afraid of getting it wrong, they stop themselves from thinking or speaking in English at all. But making mistakes is how we learn. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Mistake 4. Not surrounding yourself with English. If your daily life is full of your native language, your brain will default to that. English needs to be around you constantly. Music, videos, books. Immerse yourself. Let's recap those quickly. Too much translation, overthinking grammar, fear of mistakes, not enough English in daily life. If you're doing any of these, no worries. We're going to fix them. 6 steps to start thinking in English. Here are 6 simple, powerful steps you can follow. Step 1. Name things around you in English. Look around and say the names of objects in English. Lamp, chair, phone. Take it a step further. Say, I'm drinking coffee from my cup instead of just cup. Step 2. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, it feels weird at first, but it works. Describe your actions. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting dressed. I'm going outside. No pressure. It's just you. Step 3. Use an English to English dictionary. Stop translating. Use a dictionary that defines words in English. For example, if you don't know excited, look it up and see. Feeling very happy and eager. That's how you grow your vocabulary in English. Step 4. Think in simple sentences first. Start with short thoughts like, I need food, or it's sunny. Later, they'll naturally become longer. I should go to the store because I need vegetables for dinner. Step 5. Have an English inner voice. Turn your thoughts into mini English conversations. Ask yourself, what should I do next? Or how do I feel today? It's like talking to yourself in English. Step 6. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English podcasts. Watch English videos. Read English articles. The more English you hear, the more your brain be start thinking in English automatically. Daily exercises to build the habit. Here's how you can make thinking in English part of your daily life. Start and end your day with English. Wake up and think, today is Monday. I have a meeting at 10. I'll go shopping later. Before bed, I finished work. I made pasta for dinner. It was delicious. Set a no translation rule for 30 minutes a day. Challenge yourself. No translating in your head during that time. Even simple thoughts. Try them in English. Talk to yourself aloud. Say things out loud while doing daily tasks. I'm making tea. It smells great. I'll drink it while reading. Use English during activities. While walking, think, the weather is nice. I see a dog. I feel relaxed. Keep an English journal. Write about your day or your goals. Don't worry about grammar. Just write. Staying motivated. Let's face it, you'll face challenges. That's okay. One challenge, your brain defaults to your native language. That's normal. The solution? Be patient. Start small. Use short phrases. Another challenge, you don't know the right word. Instead of stopping, describe it. Don't know refrigerator? Say, a cold box where I keep food. A big one, feeling like you're not improving. The solution? Track your progress. Record your voice. Write daily. You'll see improvement over time, even if it feels slow. Remember, thinking in English is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time and consistency. But if you keep practicing, it gets easier. I promise. Wow, we've covered a lot today. Thinking in English isn't just possible, it's powerful. It makes everything easier. Speaking, listening, even understanding jokes or songs in English. So, what tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments or share your experience. And if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the podcast. I've got more great English learning tips coming your way. Until next time, keep practicing. Keep thinking in English, and as always, happy learning.